Hello, welcome back to class. Alright, today we're going to be learning about multiplication and division of algebra. Okay, now if you're having issues on how to multiply and divide your algebra questions, we are going to look into some of the questions on the board and see how easily you can solve questions that has to do with multiplication and division of algebra. Now let's get right into it. Solution. Question 1 says 3y equals 12. Now, how do we get y to be alone, to stand alone? First of all, we're going to look at the coefficient of y, which is 3. Now, how do we get 3 out of there? We have to divide both sides by what? 3. So we divide both sides by 3. Alright, so we have 3y divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3. Right, so we take out the 3, 3 cross out 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 12 is 4. Therefore, y equals 4. And that's the answer for question 1. It's as simple as ABC. All you have to do is to apply the right methods and you're going to get the answer. Question 2. We have x over 5 equals 3. Now, how do we get the value for x? Looking at the question, we have x divided by 5 equals 3. Originally, this can be equated to what? Over 1. So what do? We are going to multiply both sides by 5. Multiply both sides by 5. Now we're going to have x over 5 times 5 equals what? 3 times 5. Right? Now here is over 1. Then we'll divide 5. Then we're left with what? X equals 3 times 5 is 15. We also have another method on how to solve this, which is a cross multiplication method. There you could have just simply said x times 1 equals x, then 5 times 3 equals 15. Simple. Instead of going through this process. So we have two methods to this, and the shortest method is the cross multiplication method. Now let's go to question 3. Question 3 says 2 over 5y equals 6. Now the same thing we did here is what we're going to also do here. We're going to multiply both sides by 5. Right? So multiply both sides by 5. And we have 2 over 5y times 5 equals 6 times 5. Okay? So 5 cross out 5, I left it was 2y equals 30. You can see we have this question is similar to our first question, isn't it? So here we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we have 2y divided by 2 equals 30 divided by 2. So 2 cross out 2. 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 30 is 15. Therefore, y equals 15. And there you have it for question 3. Now, question 4. Question 4 says 2x minus 3 equals 7. Now, this is a subtraction question with an equal to sign. This equal to means that there will be division because we have a coefficient of x here, which is 2. Now, from here, we're going to say we're going to add 3 to both side. So I can do it with this 3 here. So we have add 3 to both sides. Alright, so we have 2x minus 3 plus 3 equals 7 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equals 0. So we have 2x equals 10, because 7 plus 3 is 10. Then from here we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. 2 cross out 2. 2 into 2, 1, and 2 into 10 is 5. Therefore, x equals 5. Voila! It's as simple as that. Now, question 5 here says 3x plus 11 equals 23. Now, we're going to what? Subtract 11 from both sides. Subtract 11 from both sides. Alright, so we have 3x plus 11 minus 11 equals 23 minus 11. So plus 11 minus 11 equals 0. Then we have 3x equals what? 12. Then we divide both sides by 3. So we have 3x divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3. 3 cross out 3. 3 here 1. 3 into 12 is 4. Therefore, x equals 4. And that's the final answer. Okay, you can see it's very easy to solve questions like this. Also, there's another method that we can use in solving question 4 and 5. Instead of going through the stress of subtracting 11 from both sides, we can just say 3x equals what? 23 minus 11. Just go straight into it. Instead of thereby, you are going to skip this step. So you just move from this step to this step. Okay, there you have 3x divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3 to give you 4. The same thing is applicable here. 2x equals 7 plus 3, which is 10. Then you arrive here and skip this step. Then we divide both sides by 2. Simple. Okay, please do well to like my video, subscribe, and comment. Alright, I love my friends leaving review on how the questions are being answered. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.